Today we're going to be destroying this perfectly good car right here.
Hey, nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
Oh, it's on fire. So the first part of this durability test is we have this extremely rusty and probably tetanus-ridden saw right here. So, all right, so here we go here. Oh, hang on, I'm getting a call. Hello? Oh yeah, the Tennessee Department of Revenue. Oh yeah, sorry, I'll be there. All right, so you see this bucket right here. Give me 1 second. So you're not gonna be able to see me, but you'll be able to hear what I'm doing. So you hear that? That's the sound of chemicals being poured into a bucket. Now, what you see here is I have this highly lethal thing of chemicals.
A major chemical leak in Southern California.
We're gonna pour this on the car and it's gonna damage the paint, right? So here we go. All right, now we're gonna be doing the tire slash test. So as you know, I'm gonna run with this directly aimed at my eyeball. As you know, we need to make sure that your car can survive up to the interstate and the terrible roads of South Carolina. We're gonna be slashing this tire here, all right? You ready? Hold on a second. Uh-oh. I think it did more damage to the sword than the tire. I would say your tire is good for up to like I-95. So I'd say it can survive I-95, but the second you go on the dirt road, you know, you might have a little bit of trouble.
All right, for the next part of the durability test, we're gonna be seeing a more exotic car, R34 Nissan Skyline. So as you can see, we're at the stoplight, right? Oh, look at that. Hey, nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
What do you can afford now?
Oh, there he goes, look at that.
Smoke.
Oh! Dang. Now we're back to my muscle car.
As you guys may know, it's almost 4th of July. So now it's time for the fire test. So I have a very highly dangerous and explosive device in my pocket. So we're gonna see if this Miata survives 4th of July. There we go. So now we're gonna see here if this causes any issues. So let's see. So as you see, the sparks are kind of falling on the car. So okay, well, all right, we have one more test, don't worry about it. So actually what we're gonna do is come back here. So right here is a pack of explosives, okay? Here is what we're going to do. So first of all, we need to open up the pack. This is a pack of bombs, right? Like literal explosives. These are, you know, so as you can see, this is a bomb right here. So we're just gonna see what happens here. So we're gonna place this on the ground. All right, let's see what happens. Guys, look, it's a Ferrari, even though it's orange. What happened if I lit this lighter? Okay, dude, it like actually smells like smoke in here. Oops. This concludes our experiment. So as you see, I'd say the Miata is actually indestructible. So therefore, buy one of these cars. It's whistle and diesel proof. So this will be a safe investment because it's not gonna get crushed by a killdozer or a tank or Monster Max or any other, you know, rogue vehicles. So I'd say this gets a pass.